Today I'm going to showcase two different designs we did for a customer with the laser. Two different looks and two different approaches. A new local business, Jason's Top Shelf, recently opened in our little town. His mom and dad wanted to have something special made for his new shop. Funny thing was, a day later, Jason, the owner, approached us with the barrel top too, not knowing what his folks were doing at the time, and he wanted his logo on that. Just barely fitting inside of our laser, we started with the normal barrel top for his folks. We engraved it directly on top, being sure to miss the plug hole. We sized it to fit and moved his tagline from the logo down to the bottom so that it would all fit. Next, we started on the barrel Jason brought us. The problem was someone had already put a really crappy piece of wood on it, not making a great backdrop for a sign, so we had to fix that. So the first thing we did was cut a piece of plywood to fit that oblong, irregular shaped barrel lid. We got it close with the laser and then we had to sand it to fit the barrel. For you laser people, you can tell my mirrors were getting off towards the front of the machine because you can see where the beam was bouncing and making the double line. I did correct this after this project. Next, we cut the logo from some rosewood, a really pretty hardwood we get from our local lumber guy, Rich, over at Greener Lumber. We put some mineral on the logo to protect it and make it pop. Next, we take the cutout template and line things up on the barrel so we can see where to glue the pieces. Now we are ready for assembly. This barrel being out of round gave us some fits lining things up, but we eventually got it. Sorry I didn't get video on the glue up, but you know the drill. Put glue on it, stick it on, wait for it to dry. I think it turned out great though. What would you have done different? Leave a comment below. Here they are side by side. I can't decide which one I like better. It's really cool to see your creations out in the wild. One of them went into the front window of their shop. The other went behind the bar. I grin every time I see a Facebook post and see that barrel in the background. Kind of makes you feel like you're part of their story. Cool stuff. Hey, thanks for hanging out with us today in the shop. We hope to get back on a regular schedule soon with our videos. Sorry, but it's been a busy season. Hey, see you guys soon.